How to make group video call in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you make group video call in Messenger. So let's get started. First, you have to open Messenger application with your account. Alright, after you open Messenger, you'll get this type of interface. From here, to start or make a group call, you need first to create a group on Messenger. For that, tap on the pencil icon just at the top right. From here, tap on create a new group. From here, search for the friends on Messenger whom you want to add on that Messenger group. Alright, after you select it, on the section group name at the top, you'll have to provide a group name. Alright, after you add some people on that group, at the top right corner, tap on create. Alright, once you have created a group on Messenger, from the section at the top right corner, you can easily find the options like video call icon, and after you tap on that option, you can make a group video call in Messenger just like this. Okay, as you can see, this is the easiest and simplest method to make a group video call in Messenger. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.